Ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders and investors, welcome to the program. We had an amazing this week. The stock market has reached all new highs today. The SPY representing the S&P 500, the QQQ representing the NASDAQ, the Dow's up there. It's just been ripping. Let's take a look and get right into it. So here we are on the SPY daily chart. Last week we ended up here at all new highs of 501. This blue candle right here. And we'll draw a little mark on that for you. So here we go. We ended the week last right here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we were in a downtrend. And I said we had to stay inside of this little range here, okay, of the previous week's highs of support. And it did. It bounced below it. And then some information came out. And Thursday and Friday, this thing just jumped straight up. Even though we were making lower lows, but there you go. It just shot to the moon. Just took off. And so right now the markets are all-time highs. The bull run continues. And I want to get into the QQQ with you guys and take a look real fast. Before we get into that, I would like to thank all our current subscribers. Thank you very much. We have our goal of 100 subscribers. So please click that subscribe button. Also smash the like button. Just helps get the channel out there. YouTube puts it out there more, whether you subscribe or not. Hit that like button. I really appreciate it. So thank you very much. So there we go. Let's get into the QQQ, which would be for the NASDAQ. Now this dropped off much more than the SPY did. We fell below support. And then something happened here. Some news came out and the market shot straight up. And let me tell you what happened there. Earnings. Earnings for one of the big dogs, NVIDIA. They came out and they were better than expected. Future outlook was mild, but still showed a lot of need for the product. And they just took off. Let's take a look at that. So here we are. NVIDIA, this is a daily chart. Here the earnings are. It beat expectations quite a bit actually. 4.21 versus 516. But let's bring this to a, say, 15-minute chart so you guys can actually see what happened here. So here we go. Computer's acting up here. So here we go on Wednesday. Earnings came out and it was at 680. And again, this is a 15-minute chart, so every candle is 15 minutes. And it just shot right up to the old high of 746. Hit resistance. And then closed at 8 p.m. after hours. Opened up pre-market for Thursday and just shot right up to about 775, and ever since then it's on this slow grind up. So NVIDIA is grinding. We have now surpassed $800. Went to 823 as a high today. So that's pretty impressive. I mean, I think JP Morgan's price target on it was 825. Goldman Sachs has a target of 850. And Barron's, I think, is like $950 or something. But, you know, there's targets of $1,000, even higher than that. But they always say within the next year or so. But this thing is just, you know, it's moving quick. So, look, we've just moved, you know, almost reached one of the first targets right already yesterday. Or no, I'm sorry, today. So that's pretty impressive. Let's take a look at the big 7 stocks that are moving this market. We got Apple. They actually, you know, by the way, when positive earnings came out for NVIDIA, that did help boost the market up. It's the other, you know, related stocks to that. So Apple, you see, look, they came up. Today was Friday. Some give back, profit taking, I would expect. I mean, why not? Microsoft, again, look here, they gapped up with momentum on the video. And here's a pullback today. Same with Apple, pullback. Google, propped up as well. Okay. Amazon, they're also joining the Dow now, the Super 30. But look, they gapped up as well. The NVIDIA earnings really helped boost a lot. Meta, same with Meta, all-time high today, 494. So that's pretty impressive. NVIDIA, here we go, 823, all-time high today. So that's what we're looking at here. Now, are we going to need pullbacks? Let's get back to a daily chart. Actually, so AMD, by the way, they benefited. Well, actually, when it came out, let's see, Thursday. No, yes, they had a nice little bull run off of NVIDIA's momentum, but they're still in this range here. Okay, and so that's nice to see. Anything else we want to talk about? Oil. Oil's been staying around $76 a barrel for WTI. So that's, impressive. Now we drew this little flag here, as you can see, and it broke out. It broke out of this downtrend, and that was always support right here, 56.11. So let's put that on a weekly chart. There you have it. This is Oxy, ticker Oxy. So we're going to get rid of that downtrend arrow there for now. Or we can actually just readjust it. What we're going to do is we're going to readjust it to there, and we're going to put it to, there for now. Just take a look at that and see what it does. That's a weekly chart. We'll see what it does there. And Microsoft, okay, something else we'll talk about. Oh, SMCI, Semiconductors, Supermicro. They had a really crazy run as well with earnings, by the way. I forgot to leave that out. As you can see, look how they ran up. Literally from $500 to $1,000 in just a couple of weeks. That's crazy. And then this is a daily chart. Then they obviously major pullback. And NVIDIA's, they got some momentum up back to $1,000, then a pullback. So that was pretty interesting. Intel actually was making nice little moves today. Was it today? No, actually they're not today. Oh, I must be mistaken. I got the wrong ticker. But Intel, they're back down to this upper trend here. This slow grinding uptrend that they're in. So Intel's just kind of moving sideways here for now. And I think that's about it. That's all I can. Not really much going on. It was a very quiet day today. ARM, which is AI related, you can see look, they're all over the place. 164 was an all-time high. The old high was 124. They're trying to stay, I guess, in this range from 124 to 164, but these are very risky trades. If you want to day trade this or even swing trade it or invest in it, I have no opinion on that at all. So other than that, let's see how Verizon's been doing. Verizon's been kind of holding there. They're holding the support range where they've been at for quite some time. Palantir, real quick, they have been hurting actually. So they did get a little momentum off the NVIDIA pump, but it kind of lost it right away. Tesla, that's right. That's what somebody was asking me about. Yes, they're holding. They're holding. They're just trying to hold this range right now. As you can see, we go into here. They're in this range. It's coming down, but they're around 190 right now. Right now, they're 190. So between 200 and 180. That seems to be the range. It does have a gap fill here, which it tried to fill, of 206. And so it tried to go to 202. See, there's the gap here, which is after hours trading. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, the 10-year yield is holding steady at 4.25. The relative strength of the dollar is holding steady at 103.96 to 104. And that's how things seem to be. And other than that, that's about it. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend.